Hi guys, Jackie here with another video. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to be showing you how we did this really cute project to kick off our fall season, doing these really cute pumpkins and making them out of some scrap wood that we had around the shop. And we're going to show you how we built them and this one. So stay tuned. And we're at Walmart. For those of you who don't know, Walmart has a really awesome craft section with lots of paints, glitter, brushes, stenciling. So one of the things we got at Walmart was the jute cord. And then there was a variety of paints. We wanted to use chalk paint, so there was a lot of different colors that I had wanted Jalen to grab. One being the ivory, the second being the plaster. There was another one that I've used before and I really love the way the color turns out, and it's called sandstone. And then we were just needing other colors for the stems. So she chose celery green and moss in the chalk finish, and then the antique wax. This antique wax is so good to use. I love using it. And then of course we got some other kind of acrylic fast drying paints for orange color tones that I wanted to use in the pumpkins. And then after all the selections of the different paints that we needed, it was off to painting.
Be free of this heart, yeah. I wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you're never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah. I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you're never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you.
Hey guys, hope you're enjoying the video so far. I just wanted to jump in really quick to let you guys know that we did run out of the pocket hole plugs. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about on the picture on the left of the screen. And since we ran out of them, I decided to wood fill, which works just the same. It will take some time to dry, but if you want the link, I'm going to link it down below so you can purchase those on Amazon.
Yeah.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. I'm gonna go where my heart is. From now on I'm being honest. I'm gonna show that I got this love.
And here it is, guys. Pumpkin number 1 is done and finished. And now we're on to the second set of pumpkins. Let's keep watching.
You remember I asked you to meet in the middle. Now I'm here all alone again. You remember I call you. You were talking in riddles. Now you're lying to me again. You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing. flex elusive, and I know that I'll be fine. I guess that is self-love. You think I'm going crazy, but I'm not missing you. I only miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy, I just said we're through. 20. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust? What about all this time you looked in my eyes, babe? What about commitment? What about all the empty promises? Oh, what about
I'm jumping back in and letting you know that if you're going to do this project at home, one of the things that I forgot to do was sand in between the two separate pieces. You want to make sure to sand them so that the glue sticks pretty good. And here they are, guys. They turned out so cute. I'm so excited. We're going to be taking them inside, staging them, and showing you a little bit of B-roll. Thanks again, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more of our work and DIY fun projects, make sure to like our channel, hit the bell for notifications, and subscribe, okay? Thank you so much for all the good feedback and the wonderful comments that we've gotten so far. We love our subscribers. Thank you so much. And my hubby for working behind the scenes, Sierra and Jalen, who have been working also on the team, and we hope you enjoyed the video.